Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube. Let's start. At first you have to open your YouTube app. After this, tap on the plus icon and then you guys can see these options. You can find out upload a video. Now tap on upload a video and then select the video that you want to upload. Then you can watch the video. Now tap on next. In here you can add a thumbnail. Also you can add descriptions. You can also select the privacy of your video. For example, if you want to make it public, then you have to tap on here and then you can select public option, and then you can also add your locations and you can also write a title. Now tap on next and then they will ask you if this video meant for kids or not. If your video is meant for kids, you can select yes, it's meant for kids. If it's not, then you can select no, it's not meant for kids. Now I'm going to select this one, and then you can also put age restrictions to your video. Now tap on upload to upload a video. Now let's see the video. As you guys can see, I have uploaded a new video to my YouTube account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.